Does your home ever smell a little off, even right after you've cleaned it? You're not alone. But before you reach for those chemical air fresheners, try these super easy, all-natural ways to keep your home smelling absolutely amazing. First up, for those stubborn cooking or smoke smells, grab some white vinegar. Just pour a cup into a small pot and let it simmer on the stove for about 15 minutes. The vinegar smell will disappear quickly, and it takes all those bad odors with it. It's like a magic reset button for your kitchen air. Next, a super simple trick for your bathroom. Take your favorite essential oil, lavender or eucalyptus work. Grate and put a few drops inside the cardboard tube of your toilet paper roll. Every time someone spins the roll, it will release a subtle, fresh scent into the air. So easy, and it really works. For a long-lasting, gentle fragrance in small spaces like closets or bathrooms, create your own natural diffuser. Just fill a small jar with uncooked rice and add about 15 to 20 drops of essential oil. Give it a little shake and you're done. The rice absorbs the oil and slowly releases the scent over time. Got carpets? They can hold on to all sorts of odors. The solution is probably already in your pantry. Baking soda. Sprinkle a generous layer over your carpets and rugs. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes to absorb any funky smells, and then just vacuum it all up. Your carpets will be instantly refreshed. Time for a quick kitchen refresh. If your microwave is smelling a little less than fresh, slice up a lemon, put it in a microwave-safe bowl with some water, and zap it for a few minutes until the water is steaming. Let the bowl sit inside for another 5 minutes to let the steam work its magic. Then just wipe the inside clean. It's that simple. Don't forget the power of nature itself. Bringing in houseplants like mint, basil, aloe vera, or a beautiful peace lily can do wonders. They don't just look great. They are natural air purifiers, constantly working to clean the air in your home. Here's a clever hack for your whole house. The next time you change your AC filter, tape a scented dryer sheet to the vent side of the filter. When the air conditioning kicks on, it will gently circulate a light, clean scent throughout your entire home. For a cozy, warm aroma, especially in the fall or winter, try warming some potpourri. You can use dried flowers, or even just spices from your kitchen cabinet like cinnamon sticks, cloves, and star anise. Gently warm them in a small bowl on a candle warmer for a wonderful, natural fragrance. And finally, if you use a humidifier or a steam cleaner, add a few drops of lemon juice or a lemon essential oil to the water. As the steam is released, it will carry that fresh, clean citrus scent, making your whole house smell incredible. So, which one of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found these helpful, don't forget to like this video, save it for later, and subscribe for more easy home tips. Thanks for watching.